Hi guys, welcome to my channel that is Goal Humanity. So today on the occasion of International Women's Day, we are going to see why International Women's Day is being celebrated and the ground reality. So it all started in 1908 in US where women working in garment industry started protesting for their rights and discrimination they have to face. This movement inspired a lot of women around the globe and similar such movements started in Europe, Russia. So finally, United Nations in 1977 declared 8th March as International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated for acknowledging the women who courageously break the stereotype and come out of it as a strong and powerful women. What is the present situation now? Have women got rights? Have they become equal to men? Let us see. See, our constitution has given women a number of rights like right to education, right against exploitation, right against sexual harassment, abuse, protection against domestic violence act, and many more such acts which have helped women in many aspects. But is this sufficient? No, not at all. Even today, number of women have to face number of problems. They are, first thing is, they have to face discrimination. They have to work on low wages. They don't feel safe even today in daylight. Every 16 minutes, a woman is being raped, and somewhere in India, there are number of cases of acid attacks. Slapping a woman is common because, and also elders justify it that saying that he is your husband and he has right to slap you. But no one has given him the right to slap you, and putting your respect and dignity down. Next, lack of education, abortion, not having a say in decision making. Women are still considered as substandard, and number of problems which women have. What today's women want? All they want is appreciation of their hard work, their skill. All they want is to be treated with respect and dignity. They want to be considered while taking decision making. They should be treated equal to men in all aspects of life, and they do not want someone to take decision for themselves, but all they want is someone who stays by them, who stays beside them no matter what. We can see the successful examples of women wherever we go. Women have reached to the moon and space. Women are the actors, entrepreneurs, scientists, doctors, YouTubers. Then we can see women's working on petrol station. They are rickshaw driver, and the list continues. We can also see the successful examples since ancient times like Jhansi Ki Rani, Kiran Bedi, Sarojini Naidu, Hima Das, then Michelle Obama, Mother Teresa, and so on. But in all those successful examples of women, we must not forget the struggle which each and every woman has to face, whether she is working outside or inside home. She has to face a lot of struggle, number of pains. So respect each and every woman in your life, and be proud of being a woman, because being a woman has a different perks that we can have babies, we have more patience, we are good at multitasking and number of things. So what you can do to make your country a better place to live for women? First, respect each and every woman in your life, in your society, in your country, and even so all around the globe. Next is appreciate her efforts, her skills, take their suggestion, take opinion of her, involve her in decision making. Then if you see anything wrong happening with a woman, take a strong stand against it, stand for her. Then don't stare a woman, don't make her feel uncomfortable, don't harass her, don't abuse her, love her as much you can. Not only this day, but women should be celebrated each and every day. They should be respected, they should be cared, they should be loved every day. I don't want women to be called superior than men. All I just want is to be equal society in every aspect, because I know men do have their own struggle. So I just want equal society where everyone is equal in all aspects of their life. So happy Women's Day to all the women out there. Be strong, stay strong, Love more, care more, and be the way you are. Don't change yourself for anyone. Thank you.